Hi everybody, I wanted to do a quick video on this Ethernet cable tester that I bought. Quite cheap, got it off eBay, quite small and compact as you can see. This thing's turned out to be a really good bargain. I got this for about £5 on eBay delivered, really cheap, just obviously some clone thing made in China, but it does the job really well. So this will test Ethernet, RJ45. It also do RJ11 cable testing. You can see on the top you've got RJ45 and RJ11. Another one on the bottom there. Comes apart, so you can put these on two different ends of cables if you're doing testing of cable over an extended difference, or just keep them clipped together for storage, or if you're just doing patch cables. You can see on the front there's a series of LEDs, 8 in total. There's an additional there for ground. And essentially what this does is test two things. So it tests the continuity of each of the 8 cables that are contained in an Ethernet lead. So it makes sure that there is no break in the line from one end to the other. And it also makes sure that the way that you've terminated, or the order that you've terminated the cables in one RJ45 plug is the same as at the other end. So I found this really helpful as I've been putting my Ethernet network in around the house. So I thought I'd just share it with you. So it's powered by a 9-volt battery. Just pop that in the back and then you're ready to go. So I've got a patch cable here which I'll show how to do some testing. So if it's just a patch cable, there's no need to break the unit apart, so just insert the Ethernet cable into 2 RJ45 sockets and then just switch the unit on, and you can see it runs through each of the 8 pairs. So essentially what you're looking for is green lights all the way at both sides. So as it goes down you should see 2 green lights in parallel, and once it's done all 8 circuits, if it's all green, you know you're good to go. And as I said, you can take this thing apart, so you can imagine now you're in 2 different rooms in your house, and these are some distance apart. You can plug this little one in at one end, go to the other room with this unit, and press test, and away you go. So you can test this either on patch leads or on long lengths of cables, which I thought was really helpful. And for £5, this thing is amazingly useful, incredibly cheap, quite small as you can see, and I really think you do need one of these things if you're installing a local area network from Ethernet cables. Anyway, so yeah, just a quick overview. I thought this was a really good buy, and I've used this loads already, and I think it's going to be more and more useful as I build my network out. Any questions, as usual, comment below, and if you can, please do consider subscribing and hitting that notification button. I'll see you in the next video.